Today my video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the ransomware called EveRed. So in this video I will show you why exactly it is called like that and what exactly this ransomware does with your files after they get encrypted. In reality, the purpose of any ransomware is to encrypt the data on the infected computer and then to demand the ransom to be paid for the file decryption. And this is exactly what the EveRed ransomware does with your files. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any problems at all. Pictures, music, videos, Microsoft Office files, and other documentation can be opened without any troubles at all. But this is what happens after this EveRed ransomware attacks the computer and after the malicious file is launched. The ransomware starts immediately encrypting the data, and sooner or later you will discover that some or even all of your files, all of your important files have been encrypted by this ransomware. And you will soon notice that this special EveRed extension has been added. EveRed or EveRed, not sure how to pronounce it correctly in this case, but this is the scary alert given by this EveRed ransomware that says all your files have been encrypted, and these criminals tell that you need to pay the ransom to get the files restored. In reality, paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files back. We strongly advise that you immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware. Go to Program Files, choose Internet Explorer as probably the only available browser right now, and we recommend you to download Combo Cleaner antivirus to make sure that this EveRed ransomware is fully removed from your system. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and start checking the system with its help. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threats are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. And you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific threat manually, one threat at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threats automatically.